Imagine this, you reach into a bucket, your hands dig through the soil, then you feel them. Beautiful potatoes. You can grow lots of potatoes in a bucket. It's easy and fun for everyone. Let's get started. First, you need a few things. Get a big bucket. This will be the main container for your potatoes, so make sure it's sturdy and durable. It needs to be at least 5 gallons big. This size ensures that your potatoes have enough room to grow and develop properly. Make sure your bucket has holes for drainage. Without proper drainage, water can accumulate and cause the roots to rot. Water needs to drain out. This is crucial for maintaining the health of your potato plants. Next, you need some soil. Compost is good too. A mix of potting soil and compost provides the nutrients your potatoes need. It helps the potatoes grow big and strong. Rich, well-draining soil is key to a bountiful harvest. Finally, you need seed potatoes. These are not just any potatoes, they are specifically meant for planting. These are special potatoes you can plant. Look for ones with sprouting eyes, as these will grow into new potato plants. Now, let's prepare the potatoes. Potatoes are a staple in many diets around the world, and growing them can be a rewarding experience. Whether you have a large garden or just a small container, you can grow your own potatoes with a few simple steps. First, you need to cut the seed potatoes into pieces. Each piece should be about the size of a golf ball. This will ensure that each piece has enough energy to sprout and grow into a healthy plant. Each piece should have at least one eye. The eye is a small, dormant bud that will eventually sprout and grow into a new plant. Without an eye, the potato piece won't be able to grow. The eye is where the new plant grows. It's important to make sure that each piece has a healthy, visible eye. This is the starting point for your new potato plant. After cutting the potatoes, let the pieces dry for a day. This helps them heal and form a protective layer over the cut surface. This layer helps prevent rot and disease when the potatoes are planted. Now fill your bucket or container with soil. Use a good quality potting mix or garden soil. Potatoes need well-drained soil to grow properly. Don't fill it all the way to the top. Leave some space at the top of the container. This will make it easier to water the plants and add more soil as the plants grow. Make a small hole in the soil. The hole should be about 2-3 inches deep. This will give the potato piece enough room to grow roots and sprout. Put the seed potato in the hole. Make sure the eye is facing up. This will help the sprout grow upwards towards the surface. Cover the seed potato with soil. Gently press the soil down to remove any air pockets. Water the soil lightly to help the potato piece settle in. Now, you're ready to watch your potatoes grow. Now the fun begins. Growing potatoes is a journey that requires dedication and care. It's not just about planting and waiting, it's about nurturing and understanding the needs of your plants. You need to water the potatoes. Keep the soil moist. Watering is crucial because potatoes need a consistent supply of moisture to develop properly. However, be careful not to overwater, as this can lead to rot and other issues. Not too wet, not too dry. The soil should feel like a damp sponge. Regularly check the moisture level by sticking your finger into the soil. If it feels dry an inch below the surface, it's time to water. As the plant grows, you need to add more soil. This is called hilling. Hilling helps support the plant and encourages the growth of more tubers. Each time the plant grows about 6 inches, add more soil around the base. It helps the potatoes grow bigger. The more you hill, the more room there is for the potatoes to expand. This process is essential for a bountiful harvest. Keep doing this until the soil reaches the top of the bucket. Now we wait. Patience is key in gardening. The plants need time to develop underground. It takes time for potatoes to grow. Be patient. Over the next few months, you'll see the plants flourish above ground, but the real magic is happening below the surface. Soon you'll have your own bucket full of bounty. With the right care and patience, your efforts will be rewarded with a delicious and plentiful harvest. Enjoy the fruits of your labor.